Good morning. It is Monday, January 27th, 2025. We hope everyone had a nice weekend. Sorry for the late video this morning. I was kind of thrown into the fire here. After a year of almost a year of working here, the guy said it was about time I hopped in on one of these. So happy to be here. Like I said, apologies for the later video this morning. We hope everyone stayed safe with the snow last week. Being from Michigan, I was hoping to have a little more control over when I saw snow like that, but we'll take it. It was kind of cool to see it in the palm trees, and like I said, most importantly, I hope if you did get a chance to enjoy it, great. Otherwise, hope you stayed safe, stayed warm, and back to it this week. It was beautiful this weekend after that snow got cleared out, so continuing to watch that melt a little bit. With that weather, we put a number of items in the mail that were likely delayed, 1099 letters detailing the tax forms you can expect from accounts under our management. As a reminder, there are 2 copies, one for your records, one for your tax preparer. And then for those of you who have required minimum distributions in 2025, that RMD report was included with the 1099 letters that went out. So be on the lookout for those if you haven't got them. Like I said, with that weather, they might be delayed a little bit, but they should arrive soon. And so with those RMDs, we'll discuss the plan for completing those during your spring review, which already begin at the end of next month. So to that point, we also mailed out spring review invitations last week, detailing the agenda and reminders for scheduling, and we'll be sending out scheduling emails toward the end of this week. So be on the lookout for those also. As for markets, it was another pretty good week last week, with international being up a touch more than the US. Markets are opening lower this morning on news of a Chinese AI company coming up saying that they're developing competing technology with some of these large US tech companies. It can be tricky to know exactly what this looks like coming out of China. It does seem to show at least what Johan's kind of been mentioning over the past few months, where some of these US tech companies, their valuations are so stretched, execution it must be near perfect to continue or to grow, at least in the short term. So any news of this sort, like I say, to the extent of what is true, what comes to fruition here, either way, at least in the short term, news like this is going to create some volatility with these large U.S. tech companies, especially right now. So we're going to continue to monitor, of course. Seeing these pricings happen so quickly and this volatility, it does make markets fun, especially when we have our long-term approach in mind. So just to see markets reacting, constantly pricing new information so quickly, it's a joy for us to continue to monitor these things. And one other area that these companies are really watching at tariffs. That's just a big part of what the new administration has been mentioning over the past few months. So companies are going to continue to monitor that. We're going to continue to monitor that and the market's reaction to all those things. We'd love to do so. So other than that, questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out. I'd love to hear from y'all. So have a great week.